Hello everyone. Today we will look at a simple password generator in Python, and this is the code that we are using. So here basically we have the generate password function, and so this is where we are calling the function. And so we have 16, we are asking for 16 characters, and that is coming here. And so we are so this is our default value. Instead of 12 we use 16 now. And so here, so the one of the magic is the string module. So we have these three attributes that we are using. One is the ASCII letters. So this one basically gives us A, B, C, D. It's a long string with A, B, C, D up to Z. So it's a long string. So we are using the first concatenation. So with the digits, so that will add to this 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, for example. And finally we have also adding the punctuation. So we have all the punctuation marks. So here, so we have this big string and we call it as characters. Okay, so this is the characters, a big string. So now the second idea is that here we have our characters, right, which is a long string. So first we use the for loop. So this is nothing, it is doing nothing. So underscore, you can also use any x or y or anything if you want. So for x in range length, which is 12, so we have made it 16. So 16 times this process will be repeated. And so we are enclosing it inside like a parenthesis, so it's like a generator. Just think of it as a list. So 16 times this is executed. So we have characters. From characters, which is this long string here, we are picking up 16 random letters. So this is the random module which we use here. Then we are using this called choice. So we make 16 random choices. So essentially we have, say, we get, suppose our first random choice is A. So we have A, say, then maybe a punctuation mark, maybe the 9. Then we have maybe a small a, etc. So we make 16 choices. So that is what is coming here up to this point. And then we use here a join, right? So we are joining the string join method. So we use this 16 characters and we join that with an empty. It's just an empty string. So basically we are joining all this with, say, A, 9, etc. like that. Maybe B, X. So we get 16 up to total, say last, say Y. So we get 16 character string, and that is our password, which is generated here, and we return back, and that comes back here. So that is the idea. So try out this code and see, maybe you can use it to generate random password for your purpose. Thank you for watching.